GoPro stuff. Well, here we are. Out here. I hope I got my camera aimed right. I had to move my camera around. I think it's still too high. This is going to be a test run. If the camera is too high. Anyway, we're out here with the Outcast. I got my ramp set up, and let's just see how this goes. Well, so far so good. First jump isn't so bad. Well, I'm going to have to turn the rate down a little bit. It's really sensitive. Oh no! Dang it. Oh. I heard a crack too. Doggone it. I heard it. Fucking I see it too. Doggone it. Well, that was a short-lived run. Broke the pillar balls, broke the shaft, broke everything. Yeah, I don't know about jumping this thing anymore. I'm here.